In this video, I will answer your questions about how to use Spacedesk on a Chromebook and whether or not it's actually possible. Let's dive in. What is Spacedesk? As you may know, Spacedesk is a simple free-to-use tool that allows you to extend your main computer display to other devices. The setup is straightforward. You download the driver on your main computer, the source of the display. You download the viewer on secondary devices, tablets, phones, other computers. This lets you use those secondary devices as additional monitors. The short answer, can you use Spacedesk on a Chromebook? The answer depends on which role you want the Chromebook to play. Using Spacedesk driver on a Chromebook as the main display, if you visit the official Spacedesk website, you'll see that the driver is only officially available for Windows 10. Windows 11, there is no driver available for Chrome OS. This means you cannot use a Chromebook as your main display source with Spacedesk. What about using Spacedesk Viewer on a Chromebook as a secondary display? This is where things get a little more complicated. While you might hope to use your Chromebook as a secondary display connected to a Windows PC, official information suggests this isn't supported either, according to a response on the official Spacedesk forums from a developer. No workarounds are available for connecting Spacedesk Viewer installed in Chromebook to a Spacedesk server. This indicates that even using a Chromebook as a viewer secondary display is not currently possible. The only potential workaround, the only way you might use Spacedesk with a Chromebook is have a Windows 10 or 11 PC running the Spacedesk driver as your main display. Use your Chromebook as a secondary display through the Spacedesk viewer. However, based on the developer's response, even this may not work reliably. Summary: Chromebook as main display driver. Not possible, no Chrome OS driver. Chromebook as secondary display viewer, not officially supported according to developers. Windows PC required. Yes, you need a Windows 10/11's PC running the driver for any Spacedesk functionality. The purpose of this video, the goal of this video is not to spread misinformation but to provide clarity about Spacedesk's limitations with Chromebooks. If you only have access to a Chromebook and want to use it as your main display with Spacedesk, this is currently not an option. So, to summarize, Spacedesk driver is Spacedesk Viewer does not officially support Chromebooks. You will need a Windows PC to use Spacedesk at all. If this video answered your questions, please consider subscribing to the channel. According to our analytics, 83% of viewers watching our videos aren't subscribed yet. By subscribing, you help us create higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.